before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I got a new camera. So if the lighting seems off in this video, or if the camera seems to be shaking a little bit more than it did previously when you watched my grocery hauls, it's just because I'm getting used to my new camera. So anyway, hope you enjoy. What? Copyright. Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. This week I'm at Walmart and I have my assistant Kira with me, who is super excited to go to the grocery store.
Oh, yeah. It's, there's nothing else to do.
There's nothing else to do, so she's coming with her mom to the grocery store. So, I'm mostly trying to use up a lot of stuff in my freezer this week for meals because we got a half of a beef a couple weeks ago and the deep freeze is super full and the freezer inside the house is prime real estate, and so I'm trying to just go through some of that so we have some more room in there. So I am using a lot of stuff out of there for kind of inspiration for the meals this week. And then I also need to shop for some things for a meal prep video that I'm going to film.
Spoiler alert.
Tomorrow.
It's vegan meal prep.
Spoiler alert, it's a vegan meal prep video.
I was waiting to go here and then she's looking through her vegan cookbook.
And no, I am not vegan. I am just doing it as a challenge and I think it will be fun. So, what?
It's mother-daughter bonding time.
It's mother-daughter bonding time. Okay, so we're gonna go get our groceries and then when we get home, I will show you what we got. Okay, so we are home from the store. Kira's gonna help me a little bit. So this is everything I got from Walmart today. I spent around $250, which is usually around what I try to keep it at for a weekly grocery budget. Why is this yellow? It looks yellow.
What does?
I don't know. I'm still figuring out how to use my camera because it's new. I just mean the color looks yellow, but anyway. Okay, so I'll show you the produce first. So I got some baby carrots. These will just be for snacking. I'm gonna make some hummus, so those will be for that. And then I got 2 green peppers for an enchilada recipe that I'm gonna be making for meal prep, and then some red, yellow, and orange peppers. What's your favorite?
Yellow is the sweetest.
Yellow. So we like to cut those up and put them in lunches and salads and stuff. And then I got some on the vine tomatoes. I've never actually seen these at Walmart before, this brand of tomato or whatever, but they look pretty good. I got 1 jalapeno for a salsa recipe, a red onion,
Avocado.
Guacamole, maybe, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. 2 avocados, a yellow squash, and a zucchini because I have some tempura batter mix in the pantry, and I'm gonna try to make shrimp tempura with tempura vegetables tonight for dinner, so we'll see how that goes. I got 1 mango, some parsley, some green onions, which was the very last green onions in the whole store. So I was lucky to find that. Bananas. And then I've seen a couple people get this. It's a Taylor Farms stir fry kit, so it's just veggies and it's coconut curry flavor. I don't know, it just sounded really good, so I thought we would try that. It looks like you saute the veggies in a skillet and then you add the sauce that's in there. I got 2 bunches of cilantro for recipes this week, some broccoli just to cut up for snacking, some lemons because I was almost out of those in the fridge. I like to keep those in the fridge at all times.
Bananos.
Bananos.
I said I'd call them bananos.
I call them bananos?
Yeah, and when you
rhymes with
shopping.
Thanos.
Yeah.
2, did I say cucumbers? I got 2 English cucumbers. Some kiwis.
Yay.
So tell them why you like kiwis.
It's my nickname. From 1st grade. And I just got called Kiwi one day by my friends, so I stick with it.
So people started calling you Kiwi because your name's Kira.
Now Connor calls me Kiwi, and one day I went into his class yesterday, and then one kid called me Kiwi. I'm like, how do you know my nickname? He's like, Connor told us. I'm like,
Anyway, so yeah, we got some kiwis to cut up for fruit salad, and then I needed more garlic paste. I was almost out of that, so I like to keep that in the refrigerator to use for cooking. I got some grapefruit juice. I always get that. I like to drink that in the mornings. I got some orange juice, and Kira picked out some Simply Lemonade, the raspberry kind. Yeah, in a minute. I got some milk, because that is what we get, just the half gallon of 2%. And then the kids' favorite chocolate milk is
Fairlife.
Fairlife. Yeah, so.
It's delicious. It's creamy.
It's creamy. What are those?
Beans.
Yeah, chickpeas. I'm gonna make hummus. Do you like hummus?
No. Chickpeas. I don't like hummus.
Okay.
Chickpeas.
Okay, just a second. Okay, I got some provolone cheese because I'm gonna do Italian beef in the crock pot one night this week, so that will be for that. I got some ham. Yes, can you keep it down? Okay. I got some ham for breakfast sandwiches, and then I also got some sour cream because we were almost out of that. I got some different kinds of shredded cheese, so I got Monterey Jack for quesadillas, and then some cheddar cheese for tacos, and then some mozzarella cheese. I like to just keep this on hand in case we want it for like garlic bread or pizzas or something like that. I did get some bagels, so I got 2 different kinds of cream cheese. One is the garden vegetable, and the other one is strawberry. Do you like bagels with cream cheese?
No.
You don't?
No.
Not even with strawberry. I like strawberry cream cheese.
Kira picked out some yogurt, so she got 2 of the cookies and cream Yoplait yogurt, and then I am doing a vegan meal prep video, so I got a couple different almond yogurts. So this one is strawberry.
This one is almond.
And that one is plain almond yogurt. So I got where we got 4 Chobani flips, so 2 s'mores and 2 nutty for Nana. This is my favorite cottage cheese, the Anderson Erickson. So I got some of that. No one likes that. Well, Adam likes it. You guys don't. I got a dozen eggs, some biscuits for breakfast tomorrow. We're gonna try to make chicken fried steak.
I'm gonna try
biscuits.
it. It sounds good.
Yeah.
My dad explained it.
I got some crescent rolls. That is for a taco pie recipe that I'm going to make for dinner this week. And then I got some Clausen pickles. These are the kind that are in the refrigerator section, and they are the best in my opinion. So I grabbed those.
No pickles for me.
I got some half and half for coffee, and then I also got some of this water flavoring. Yeah, we're all out, and I like to get, this camera does not focus very well. It's kind of irritating.
I like your one better. I
got this strawberry watermelon. I like this because it's clear, and so if the kids use it in their water, they can squirt it in there without making a mess. I got some Italian dressing, the dry packet for Italian beef. I got some tomato juice. I needed it for a recipe, and I did not want to buy like a huge container because it will just go to waste. I only needed a little bit. So I ended up getting the 6-pack of the little cans, so I can keep those in the pantry until I'm ready to use them. I got some different kinds of beans and stuff. So I got 3 cans of garbanzo beans for a couple recipes and hummus, and then a couple cans of pinto beans for an enchilada recipe. I got some corn for a salsa. I got some, this is the kind of beef broth, or like the beef, why not this, see this camera, I'm telling you what. It's like, it will not focus. There we go. So this is the beef bouillon that I like to keep on hand in the pantry, because that way I always have, go Hawks, because that's because I always, that way I always have beef broth on hand if I need it. I got 2 cans of Progresso soup, 1 chicken sausage gumbo, and 1 cheese tortellini. I saw this on the Family Fudge's YouTube channel. This is the chicken dipping sauce. It supposedly tastes like the dipping sauce at Chick-fil-A, so I don't know. We'll try it. I have some chicken nuggets in the freezer that I got from Costco, so we can try that with those. I got some mandarin oranges, some of Adam's nacho cheese sauce, little cups that he likes. And then we saw this unicorn frappe mix, and I just got a NutriBullet from Costco, and so I decided that we would get that just as a fun thing for the kids to try. Kira picked out 2 cups of Honey Nut Cheerios. I told her to get this instead of the big box because she's really the only one that likes it. And these were 80 cents each, so it was kind of a good deal to get those instead. I got some organic cane sugar. When I was reading through one of the cookbooks for the vegan meal prep that I'm doing, they said that if you're vegan, you should use organic sugar, and I typically don't buy organic sugar. Obviously, I'm not vegan, but I wanted it to be as authentic as possible, so I went ahead and grabbed a bag of this from Walmart. I got some pepperoncini for the Italian beef, some Triscuits. I like to eat the Triscuits with the cottage cheese, really good. And then put pepper on your cottage cheese and eat it with the Triscuits, really good. I got some old-fashioned oats for homemade granola that I'm gonna make, some croutons for salads. I got a 3-pack of cinnamon Trident, which is the gum that I always like to keep in my purse. I grabbed some chopped pecans for that granola recipe. And then I got 2 different kinds of tortillas. For the enchiladas, I got some white corn tortillas. And then for quesadillas, I just grabbed some flour tortillas to keep in the fridge. I always like to keep these around for either wraps or quesadillas. I got some hash browns for breakfast tomorrow. Some of the Roaring Waters Capri Suns for the kids' lunches. And Kira picked out these granola bars. That's the variety pack. So dark chocolate chunk, peanut butter chocolate chip, and s'mores. And then I posted this on Instagram last week when I saw it at Walmart, but I didn't buy it. But I went back this week and I saw it there, and so I bought it. It's Yes Way Rosé, so it's just a rosé wine. It was around $12 or $13, I think. It seems like I got a lot of bread this trip, but we definitely won't go through all this in 1 week. So I got some everything bagels for breakfast. I got some plain bagels. I'll probably end up having to freeze some of these because like Connor said, he doesn't like bagels and cream cheese. So I got some sub rolls for the Italian beef recipe. And then I did get a loaf of Italian bread to do garlic bread one night. This will probably be more than I need, so I'll probably end up freezing half of it. I grabbed some whole wheat bread. This is the Pepperidge Farm brand. And then I got 1 bag of Tostitos scoops. Someone told me on my Instagram that the Great Value cheddar and sour cream potato chips are better than the Ruffles cheddar and sour cream. So I decided to get a small bag of these to try them. It was only $1. And then I got a 12-pack of the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. These are the little bags. The kids usually take these for a snack at school, or we can throw them in lunch boxes. And then for non-food, I got some of the Clorox toilet wand refills. I've been using these for years and we were running low, so I grabbed some of those. I got these sunglasses. I thought they were super cute for the summer, so I grabbed a pair of those. These were only around $10, I think. I needed some more foundation, and this is the kind I typically use. Well, I use Clinique also, but this is sort of like a lighter coverage. It is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Enhancer in the Fair to Light. Kira picked out some earrings, so just some standard post earrings. I got one of these conditioners for my hair, and then she also picked out a couple different face masks, so rose and a rainbow holographic foil sheet mask. And then I thought these earrings were really fun. I didn't really find a lot of earrings that I really liked there, but I thought these were cute, and they're pretty large. And they were only $3, so I grabbed those. And then I got another mascara, this Almay mascara. I like this kind. It's super cheap, but it's one of the best mascaras I think you can get at the drugstore. And then I got another Tide to Go. I usually keep one of these in my purse, and it comes in handy when I spill coffee on my shirt at work. And then Kira ended up picking out this sweatshirt that was on clearance. It was in the junior section. So it says love on the bottom, and it's gray. I think it's supposed to be like the Victoria's Secret pink, but anyway, so she thought that was cute, so she got that. So that is everything that I got this week at the store. So here's a funny story. I actually forgot to film my meal plan right after I filmed this grocery haul. So here it is Saturday. I'm getting ready to post this video, but I still wanted to show you what we ate this week. So on Sunday, I did end up doing some chicken fried steak and gravy for breakfast. Adam was like, I wonder if we could make that with sirloin steak, because we have a bunch in the freezer from the cow that we bought, or the half a beef that we bought. And I have to say, I pounded it thin, the sirloin, with a mallet, and it was definitely not as tender as buying like cubed round steak from the store, so I probably won't try that again, but otherwise it was good. For dinner that night, we had ravioli with sauce, so I just had some frozen beef ravioli that I put some marinara sauce on, and then we also had a salad and garlic bread with that. On Monday, I made Italian beef sandwiches in the crock pot, and this will actually be in a crock pot video coming up soon, so watch for that. And then with that, we had salad and some roasted potatoes. On Tuesday, I made this leftover Mexican beef soup, which I can post the recipe down below, but I actually had it frozen from a couple weeks ago, and so I just unthawed it. Made some quesadillas with that, and then I had down vegetables and dip, but we actually had salad with it. Wednesday, we were out to eat for a fundraiser. My kids' school does like a McDonald's fundraiser, and so we ended up going there for dinner, and I think like 10% of the proceeds get donated to the school or something like that. Thursday, we had taco pie. So that's basically just a crescent roll like crust, and then you put taco meat and refried beans on top, and then you bake it in the oven with cheese and serve it with, you know, taco toppings, so like sour cream, taco sauce, lettuce, tomato, all that stuff. I can't talk today apparently. Friday, we always go out or have pizza, so we went out, and then tonight is Saturday, and we are going out because the kids are going to kids night out, and so we are going to try a new place about 40 minutes away from us called Crawford Brewery. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul and meal plan. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.